In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Switcher in Obsidian. If you've ever found yourself digging through folders to find a note, this feature will save you a lot of time. Quick Switcher lets you jump to any note in your vault in just a few keystrokes, keeping you focused and in flow. First, make sure your vault is open in Obsidian and you're looking at the main workspace. Your vault is simply the collection of notes you've set up, and the main workspace is the central area where you read and edit notes. Having the vault active ensures that Quick Switcher can index everything you might want to open. Now, open the Quick Switcher. On Windows, press Ctrl and O. On a Mac, press Command and O. As soon as you do, a small search bar will appear near the center of your screen, along with a list of note suggestions. Give it a moment to load if your vault is large, or if this is your first time using it in the current session. Once it's ready, you'll see suggestions update in real time as you type. Start typing the name of the note you want to open. You don't have to type the full title or get every character perfect. Quick Switcher uses flexible matching, so partial words or a distinctive part of the title usually work well. If you have many similar note names, try adding an extra keyword to narrow things down. As you type, watch the list of matching notes update beneath the search bar. The most relevant results rise to the top, and you can refine further by adding or removing characters. If you're not seeing what you expect, try a more unique word from the title to guide the results. When you see the note you want, move through the suggestions with the arrow keys on your keyboard, or use your mouse to point and highlight the correct item. Keeping your hands on the keyboard can be faster, and you'll notice the highlighted line clearly indicates which note is selected. Once the correct note is highlighted, press Enter to open it instantly. The note will load in your current workspace without you having to navigate through folders or switch views. If you open the wrong note, simply press the shortcut again and pick a different result. That's all there is to it. With a quick shortcut, a few keystrokes, and a single press of Enter, you can move through your notes effortlessly. Practice this a few times, and it will quickly become second nature.